Ever felt like your money just disappears into thin air? You're not alone. We all know that feeling of looking at our bank accounts and wondering where it all went. But what if I told you there's a tool that can help you finally take control of your finances? Today, we're diving deep into PocketGuard, a budgeting app that's not just about tracking expenses, it's about understanding your spending habits and making smarter financial decisions. Now, the big question, can you share PocketGuard with someone? The short answer is yes, but with limitations. Family sharing. PocketGuard doesn't offer a traditional family sharing plan like some other apps. Individual accounts. Each person needs their own individual PocketGuard account. Collaboration is limited. While you can't directly share budgets or track each other's spending within the app, there are ways to collaborate. Collaboration methods. Communication is key. The most effective way to share financial information with family or partners is through open and honest communication. Joint accounts. For shared expenses like rent or utilities, consider setting up joint bank accounts and linking them to both your PocketGuard accounts. Budgeting discussions. Have regular discussions about your financial goals, budget allocations, and any concerns you have. Shared spreadsheets or apps. Consider using external tools like Google Sheets or other collaborative budgeting apps to track shared expenses and create a shared budget. Benefits of individual accounts. Personalized insights. Individual accounts provide personalized spending insights and recommendations tailored to each person's unique financial situation. Privacy and independence. Maintaining separate accounts allows for privacy and independence in managing personal finances. Accountability. Each person is responsible for tracking their own spending and adhering to the agreed-upon budget. Despite the limitations on direct sharing, PocketGuard remains a powerful tool for individual financial management. Easy setup. Connecting your bank accounts is quick and easy. Intuitive interface. The app is user-friendly and visually appealing, making it easy to track spending, create budgets, and identify areas for improvement. Helpful insights. PocketGuard provides valuable insights into your spending habits, such as identifying recurring expenses, highlighting overspending categories, and suggesting ways to save money. In-app features. Features like InPocket help you identify and set aside money for savings goals. While PocketGuard doesn't have a direct family sharing option, it can still be a valuable tool for individuals and couples who want to gain better control of their finances. By combining individual accounts with open communication and collaborative tools, you can effectively manage your money together, even without direct sharing within the app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.